The WIRTGEN Group Road Technology Days. In April 2018, a road construction industry event that is unique in the world was held once again on the site of VÖGELE AG in Ludwigshafen. Some 4,000 guests from over 100 countries took up the invitation to the two-day event. They flocked to the site, keen to discover the latest road construction machines and technologies from the world market leaders WIRTGEN, VÖGELE and Rhein. The first highlight on the program was the tour through the most modern paver factory in the world. This is where visitors to the VÖGELE production facility got a closer look at the innovative factory layout and the high standards of quality as they passed through 18 stations. The route took them through the raw materials store via production and assembly to dispatch. Guests were able to inspect components at different stages at special look and feel stations, experiencing the high manufacturing quality hands-on. Visitors were particularly interested in screed manufacture and assembly. The visitors were given a detailed insight into screed assembly at the stations. From the positioning of the screed frame on the screed plate, through to the assembly of the suspension unit and the uniting of all parts to form a complete screed, referred to as the marriage. Quality is the brand core of VÖGELE. That is why precision, care and cleanliness takes center stage in the manufacture of individual components. In assembly, the Worker Information System software secures all sequences and guarantees consistent standards. And at the end of the process, each component undergoes countless quality inspections. A VÖGELE machine must pass inspections at 900 different test points before being delivered to the customer. Quality is the brand core of VÖGELE. Visitors were able to find out what exactly this entails in everyday company operations in the special Quality Management exhibition. One aspect clearly emerged. Qualified employees are above all key when manufacturing such technically sophisticated products as VÖGELE machines to a consistently high standard of quality. In specialist talks at the Road Technology Days, the experts from WIRTGEN, VÖGELE and Rhein provided a preview of the future of road construction. Concentrated knowledge was also conveyed to the visitors in the technology centers of the three brands. Here, WIRTGEN, VÖGELE and Rhein presented selected technological highlights. In the 5,900 square meter machine park and exhibition area, visitors viewed some 80 different models from WIRTGEN, VÖGELE and Rhein. The milling machines, pavers, material feeders and rollers that are currently dominating the road technology sector, including several world premieres. The customer support exhibition was another big attraction. Here, technicians and engineers made their know-how available to visitors and presented the full power of the WIRTGEN Group's customer support. After an informative afternoon, it was now showtime. Visitors arrived in the event hall for the big gala dinner. Dominic Ruccolo, The new CEO of the WIRTGEN Group greeted the guests and kicked off an evening filled with culinary delights and exciting performances. But the highlight was yet to come. The spectacular late-night show, opening with a parade of nations that demonstrated the close partnership with customers of the WIRTGEN Group. WIRTGEN, VÖGELE and Rhein subsequently presented their machines and demonstrated that technology can not only be useful, but also fascinating and enthralling. The second day of the Road Technology Days event was no less spectacular, the focus being on live demonstrations. On an area of some 3,000 square meters, the machines of WIRTGEN, VÖGELE and Rhein demonstrated the high power, wide variety and synergy effects with which the WIRTGEN Group brands thrill customers all over the world. The first live demonstration in the morning focused on the paving of thin overlay, rehabilitation and complete removal. Advanced technologies were presented for the replacement of thin overlays and the paving of compact asphalt pavements using the inline pave process. The wide-ranging applications of WIRTGEN large milling machines were impressive, as were VÖGELE's spray paver technology and the high compaction performance of Rhein's articulated tandem rollers, which were making their world premiere. At the second live demonstration in the afternoon, a total of 17 machines demonstrated innovative and economical solutions for new build projects. Operating in combination with Rhein compaction technology, the material feeders of the power feeder generation from VÖGELE illustrated how contractors can further increase quality in road construction. The technology presentations also focused on synergies, quality, performance, and economic efficiency. Here, visitors could observe how optimally coordinated the WIRTGEN Group's 3D solutions and high-tech measuring systems are. The international road construction sector flocked to Ludwigshafen and gained an insight into the latest innovations and a preview of future developments. Production tours, machine exhibitions, live demonstrations, specialist talks and technology presentations. The 2018 WIRTGEN Group Road Technology Days in a nutshell.